Hey guys, welcome to the corner. I got Happy Mail today from Mama B. Look at this envelope. Love it. I put washi over our addresses. Love that duct tape. Figured I would do a quick video of me opening it. So I had to take Pixie outside. She's not feeling good today. She's eating grass, so she's got an upset belly. And she decided to get out of her collar. So I got to tighten that up. And then she decided, let's go see Nana. So we walked down to Nana's, and I texted my mom and said, knock, knock. Excuse me. And Pixie was at the door. I'm going to open this up. The humidity is thick today, and it is hot. Let's see. Get this in. Don't want to cut nothing I'm not supposed to, like a finger or something. There we go. Got these at Dollar Tree. It's like a 3-pack or 4-pack or something. Love those things. Ugh. Oh, it's the from her giveaway that I got. The journal. Yay. Oh, it's so pretty in person. Oh, look at that sparkle on that. Oh, that is so pretty. Awesome. Oh, that's the back. Oh, and the charms. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, they're paper beads. Oh, and those are like, I think, glass beads. I love them. Thank you, Mama B. I love that. Love, love, love it. Oh, it's so much cooler in person, you guys. Let me tell you. I have waited and waited to win something from Mama B in her giveaways after her live streams. And of course, it's the time I decided to log in on my phone on YouTube because I had to go to the bathroom. And I win. So, thank you, Nightbot. Tuck spot pocket. Oh, I like that. Oh, that feels awesome. It's got a texture on there. That's cool. It says, thank you for being part of the flock. Love, Melissa. Pocket there. Love that she used staples. Don't think you can't use staples because they work good for adding details and different type of, instead of using washi tape or glue, kind of add something different to it. Oh, here's that shiny envelope. Love this one. Oh, yes, that's super shiny. I love that one. Ooh, look at that shine, you guys. So much cooler in person, I'm telling you what. We won't tell Mama B, but this one's upside down. Oh, that one's really shiny too. Pixie stole my chair. Oh, that one's super. Oh, I love that one. You tell it. Oh, it's got glitter on it too. If you guys can see, it's got specks of glitter in it, or mica. I don't know if you can see it too good, but it's there. It's there. Pocket here. Love the pink one. Love that one. Oh, that one's pretty too. I'm gonna cherish this forever. Adult and kids toys. Let's see what we have here. Smallest farm in the world. Is that a bowling pin in your pocket? Could be. You could put 10 of them in there, plus a little bowling ball. It's a pocket bowling game. That's funny. Just say no button. This catalog's cool. Oh, I got hit by a mosquito or something in my neck. Oh, that one's pretty too. Oh, I love it. No, this one. It's so bold. And that metallic on there. I think that was that. What was it she was using? I don't remember now. But yeah, that stuff's cool. That one's really shiny too. Oh, this is so awesome. Oh, I'm so excited. I was so happy I won. I was on the toilet and Squirrel yells, "Holy shit!" It was funny. I love this. This is my favorite right here. I love that one. I like how it's this color on this side and this one's like totally different. Love that page. Another pocket. Oh, look at that. I got metallic powder all over my fingers. I gotta quit playing on those pages. I'll probably put some hairspray on there because it'll help it stay and not come off. Aerosol hairspray. Tuck spot here, pop it. I love this book, Mama B. Thank you so much. Dear Spanky, enjoy the junk journal. Mama B. 7 July 2018. And I had to put all the stamps on there because I couldn't choose which one I wanted. Just one. I didn't want just one. I wanted all of them. And she did the chicken foot stamp there to cover up the address. That is awesome. Thank you, Mama B. I love it. Love, love, love it. Love the charm. Thank you so much. I'll use the envelope and make a pocket in the front cover. Cut it in half and use one half on the front and one half on the back. Make a pocket or something. So thank you. Love you. Thank you. I'm so glad I won finally. After all these months. Oh. So exciting. So thank you. I love it. And I hope you have a wonderful afternoon, you guys. Bye.